Okay, hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to record audio on Cami. This is an activity that we're going to be doing from now on weekly. It's a weekly activity. So today's assignment, you click on the assignment that's today, and then if you look at the instructions, it says you will read this short reading and record it on Cami. Please look at the video link for directions, which is this one. You can audio read it or video read it, whichever you prefer. If you record it or video record it, I will automatically give you 100. See rubrics for grading. So this is the rubrics that I'm going to follow for grading this. I'm not going to read it right now, but you can read it. So once you open assignment with Cami, it will take you to the Cami website. And if you notice right here on this side, I already recorded an audio. So in case you have any problems not knowing how to read some words, so you can listen to my audio that I recorded here. It's over here to the right hand corner, upper right hand corner. So what you do basically is you open it and you click on the comment section. Once you click on the comment, you have two options: you voice comment or you video comment, whichever you want to do. So right over here we have colors. This is the colors that's going to be put up here. Like for instance, you see this color right here, this is for this one. So what you do is you click the color. I'm going to click on a different color because we already see red over there. You click the color and then you just paste it whatever you want to do. Well, not paste it, but you just click on it and it's going to go on. So you click it, and the thing I don't like about this is once you click the color, see the color comes out there, it starts recording. If you notice that it's already recording right here, see 11 seconds. So you have to be careful with that. Now one of the things that I suggest you do before you do this is that you can stop it, is that you need to practice on it. Practice reading out loud. Listen to the recording that I did so it can help you. And then once you practice it, a couple of times, that's what I did, and then you're able to record it. Okay, and if you don't like it, you can listen to it beforehand. See, so if you don't like it, you can just do another one. So I'm gonna take this off right now. Okay, so you can just take it off. See, and then you can do it over. Okay, so once you do this, you can just turn it in over here after you finished it. Now another thing that I need to remind you is, in case when you open it, it goes up like this, go here at the top and then you do fit page. So if you go fit page, you're gonna see this right here. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is how to record your audio or your video on Cami. Thank you very much.